Hey, welcome back. Today let's learn about the nervous system. We'll start from where we left off in the last episode. We learned about the brain, the CNS. So today we'll talk about the PNS. So the PNS consists of nerves, and nerves are a bundle of neurons. So we're going to learn about neurons. There are basically three types of neurons. Sensory, which takes impulses from the receptors to the CNS. The relay neuron, which takes impulses from the sensory neuron to the motor neuron. And the motor neuron, which takes impulses from the relay neuron to the effector. So, I'm going to draw a motor neuron now. So that's motor neuron, and we'll label the parts. So, a neuron basically consists of a cell body. The cell body consists of the cyton and the nucleus. And it also has a few extensions called nerve fibers. This one here is the axon. The axon is a nerve fiber that transmits impulses away from the cyton. So this is the direction of the impulses. And the dendron, this is the dendron, it transmits impulses towards the cyton. And the dendron branches into dendrites. which receive impulses from other neurons or receptor. The nerve fibers are covered by a thin layer, which is called myelin sheath. Which is made mostly of fatty substances. It insulates the axon for faster nerve impulse transmission. This sheath is covered by an inelastic tough membrane, which is called the neurolemma. That's the neurolemma. And this here is the node of Ranvier. It is a gap where the myelin sheath is absent and which allows nerve impulses to jump from node to node to node, which makes it faster for nerve impulse transmission. And this here is the effector, which is usually a muscle fiber. So this is motor neuron. We're going to learn all the other neurons too. This is the sensory neuron. Parts are going to be exactly the same. They're just going to have a different position. This is the direction of the nerve impulse. So you should have guessed by now that this is a dendrite from on the axon. Is axon? Sorry. nerve impulses are transmitted not this way, sorry. They're transmitted this way. So this is the axon. This is the dendron. This would be the myelin sheath. This neurolemma. Move right here. This dendroid. This dendroid takes impulses from sensory organs or receptors, like eyes or pain receptors, stuff like that. So this is sensory neuron. Now to the last neuron, the relay neuron. Here you would have sensory neuron, so that's gonna be sensory neuron. Here we would have motor neuron. As I said before, this relay neuron is the neuron that sends impulses from the sensory neuron to the motor neuron. This is part of something that's called a reflex arc, which we're going to learn